Need to register a vehicle in Bangladesh? Whether you're importing a car or buying locally, the Bangladesh Road Transport Authority, BRTA, requires every vehicle to go through a multi-step process. Today, we'll simplify it for you, from documents and inspections to fees, timelines, and expert tips. Let's begin. Quick tip: Bangladesh drives on the left side of the road. Imported vehicles should have the steering wheel on the right for legal compliance. You'll need a completed application form, taxpayer identification number TIN certificate, national ID or passport copy, 4 to 8 passport-size photos, proof of ownership, purchase receipt, import docs, or sales certificate, insurance certificate, pollution control certificate, fitness certificate, tax clearance certificate. Submit your documents in person at the BRTA office nearest to your residence or business location. Registration must match your area of domicile or business operation. Once verified, you'll get an assessment slip. Payment includes registration fee, business fresher 15,000 to 200,000 plus based on engine capacity, advance income tax, AIT, fitness test fee, business fresher 450 to 2,000, annual tax token fee. Use the BRTA fee calculator online for accurate pricing. Your car will undergo a physical inspection. Officials check. If your car passes, details are uploaded to the BRTA information system. Once approved, you'll receive an SMS alert to visit the BRTA office and submit your biometric data, including fingerprints, signature, and digital photo. Driving conditions can be tough, especially in urban areas like Dhaka. Expect: if you're new to Bangladesh, it's best to hire a local driver. Must be 18 plus years old. Start with a learner's permit. Pass a medical exam, written test, and driving test. Let the pros at A1 Auto Transport handle the paperwork and logistics. Call us at 1-888-230-9116 or click the link in the description for a free quote.